Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have a reliable light and that interactive mode is active. This exposes small visual cues. You crouch and scan the room systematically from left to right, tapping suspicious walls and crates. Once done, focus on floor tiles and the base of pillars because the lever is often near low structural pieces. Make sure to open the inventory view only when stationary to avoid missing a quick visual glint. You now apply a methodical search pattern. Interact with each object twice, then move on. Repetition reveals breakable or movable items. Pay attention to subtle audio cues. Metallic clicks or hollow echoes mean a nearby mechanism. Once you hear one, backtrack slowly and inspect adjacent surfaces. Often the lever sits behind an out-of-place panel or under a shelf. Make sure to push, pull, and examine at different angles to reveal seams you missed before. When you find the lever, position your camera so you can see both the mechanism and its surroundings, then pull firmly and watch connected doors or gears. Reasons for failure often include partial pulls or camera obstruction. If nothing reacts, exit the room and re-enter to reset scripted triggers, then try again. Make sure to clear nearby debris or move blocking objects first. If it still fails, reload the last save and repeat the interaction sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.